What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at this new addition, and as you can see, the walls are starting to go up. The guys have been here all morning putting walls up. I had some errands to run this morning, so I just got here not too long ago, but we're going to continue throwing these walls up. I'm going to set this up on a time lapse as we do that, and we'll see how far we can get today.
Hay que sacarle y meterle por dentro, ¿verdad? No, saca el motor.
Let's go.
All right, guys, so we got all the walls up, and we're gonna walk through it real quick, starting in the stairwell here. What are you hitting me for, Javi? What are you hitting me for? You don't know? Yeah, okay. So, start here on the staircase. You come up to the top, you get a little landing here. We'll go to the left first. You come around here, you have a bathroom here, you have a laundry room here, you have one bedroom here with a closet over there, and then this doorway brings you into the master bedroom. You walk in here. This room here is a home office for the homeowners. This is their actual bedroom here, and then you come down through this doorway here, go into a little hallway. This is a walk-in closet. This is another walk-in closet, and then you have the big bathroom over here. There is a tub here, I believe double vanity here. The shower, I'm not positive, it might be here. We can look at the plans in a second. And then this is a toilet closet, but let's take a look at the plans and see. Yep, so shower right in that corner there, up against the toilet closet. So you can see that right here. Double vanity tub here. So the shower is going to be right here in the corner, tub centered on these windows. The reason there is no big window here and it's two separate windows is because they want the filler for the tub, like the faucet, coming out of the wall here. And well, actually I believe it's going to come up out of the floor, but there's a bracket that holds it stable so it's not flopping around, and you need framing there to secure it to. So that's why you have 2 windows rather than 1, and then the double vanity over there. But we are going around getting everything braced, plumbed in, and all of the crippler studs above the headers are going in. Having all of these king and jack studs plus all of our headers made in our shop before we got here made this go so much quicker. There were a couple minor adjustments we had to make, but overall it probably saved, I would say, 2 to 3 hours of work on the job. All right guys, so it is lunchtime right now, about 1 o'clock. It is an absolutely beautiful day here in New York, but we have a good majority of all of the framing done up here on the 2nd floor. Obviously going down to the 1st floor we have a ton of work down below us still, but all the walls are plumbed in, braced off, and good to go. Tomorrow we're going to be working on the ceiling beams and all of the rafters. Me, my father, and my uncle have to get out of here right now. Sparrow's Nest, that big project that we completed not too long ago, is having their grand opening today, so they have like a whole ribbon cutting ceremony and whatnot and stuff like that, and they asked for the 3 of us to be there for it. So we got to get out of here. We have about an hour ride up home. We got to get showered, cleaned up, and wear some nice clothes over there. I don't know if I'm going to record anything there. I got to talk to my father and see if he wants me to, or if we're just going to be there as a guest and that's it. But you guys will know based on the next video. Either way, tomorrow we will be back here and back to work. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.